Affordable flooring in Union, New Jersey, luxury vinyl and engineered hardwood. Exploring your flooring options in Union, New Jersey. Looking for high-quality flooring in Union, New Jersey. Whether you're updating a single room or tackling a full renovation, finding a local flooring store you can trust makes all the difference. At Zone 4 Flooring, we make it easy to find the right fit, offering timeless styles, tough materials, and honest advice to help you choose between laminate, vinyl, hardwood, and more. Need something pet-friendly or scratch-resistant? We've got options that look great and stand up to real life, all at prices that make sense. Engineered hardwood in Union, New Jersey, a top choice for homeowners. Engineered hardwood flooring is one of the most popular choices for homeowners in Union, New Jersey, and for good reason. It brings warmth, character, and long-lasting value to any room. Whether you prefer a classic oak-rich walnut or a more modern engineered option, hardwood floors are known for their timeless appeal and durability. They're easy to maintain, work well with almost any interior style, and can even increase your home's resale value. If you're looking for flooring that combines beauty with performance, hardwood is a smart investment that never goes out of style. How to choose the right hardwood for your lifestyle. Choosing the right engineered hardwood flooring in Union, New Jersey isn't just about picking a color or finish. It's about finding what fits your lifestyle. Do you have pets or kids? A harder wood species like oak or hickory can handle daily wear and tear better than softer woods like pine. Love a clean, modern look? Wide planks with a smooth finish might be your style. At Zone 4 Flooring, we help you weigh the options so you get hardwood flooring that not only looks great but works for how you really live. Vinyl flooring in Union, New Jersey, durability and maintenance. Vinyl flooring in Union, New Jersey is quickly becoming a go-to choice for homeowners who want the look of hardwood or stone without the high maintenance. Known for its durability, vinyl flooring can handle high foot traffic, spills, and scratches, making it a great option for busy households. Whether you're installing it in your living room, kitchen, or bathroom, luxury vinyl is designed to withstand everyday wear and tear. To keep it looking great, all you need to do is sweep or vacuum regularly and mop with a gentle cleaner. It's a low-maintenance, long-lasting solution that offers both style and practicality for any room in your home. Why Zone 4 Flooring is your trusted hardwood flooring company in Union, New Jersey. At Z4 Flooring, we're proud to be a go-to choice for homeowners in Union, New Jersey. From hardwood to vinyl, we offer quality materials, expert advice, and reliable service you can count on. Whether you're updating one room or your entire home, we're here to help you find the perfect flooring that fits your style and budget. Give us a call at 201-300-0300 to book your consultation and see why so many Union homeowners trust Zone 4 Flooring to get the job done right.